Well, technically it's not morning, it's afternoon. It's like yes, 1:42 p.m. So guys, this is my first vlog. Well, technically not the first vlog. On my channel you can see I have done some news bulletin too. So that's also on my channel. So you can just like, share and subscribe that also. Okay, so my name is Palak and I'm here to vlog on parenting and lifestyle. So from today onwards I'll tell you what about parenting hacks, tips plus lifestyle. So I have a 10-month-old baby girl. Yes, I'm a new mother. I'm an experienced mother. Not so experienced I would say, but yes, a little bit. So winter is on the page. So let's talk about winter. As I have told you, I have a 10-month-old baby girl and her name is Avishi. So it's mean earth and river. Very cute name. I know. And her pet name is Sona. Yes, I would like to call her Sona Show Baby. Very cute name she got. She must thank it to me. I don't know if she doesn't like her name when she grew up. So let's talk about the parenting style. We are talking about winters, right? I just go off to other topics. So my first vlog would be on this only, winter essentials for baby. Yes, is winter every weather change is very crucial for small babies, even for us also, but as we are prone to everything now, so small babies have to taken care of. So let's begin. So guys, if we are talking about the winter essentials for babies, so first thing which our mind goes to is none other than is clothes. Yes, clothes. Everyone says that it's easy, it's very, everyone thinks that their baby needs clothes and they also shop so much clothes for their babies, but 3 things to be keep in your mind while you shop clothes for your babies. Okay, the first one I would say is clothes. They should be super soft for the baby. I'm showing you, the fabric is super soft. It's woolen. I mean, it's very nice quality and it's of next warm, and this is super soft too. I'm showing you the sweatshirt too. So this is also of, this is for Disney brand, Disney Baby. You can see this, and this is super soft, super soft. So what I'm talking is about the clothes should be super soft so that baby would not feel itchy and he or she would be very comfortable in their clothes. Second one would be, yes, do not overdress your baby to the fact that would make your baby fuzzy, very cranky. So don't do that. Just dress your baby the way he or she likes. So the third one is, while going out, wherever you go, while in the car, while walking, or while on bike, just cover the head and feet of the baby, because these 2 things are very prone to get cold and cough to the baby. So just make sure your baby's head and feet are covered. So now we are talking about second thing. Second I would prefer is diapers. Yes, if you want to sleep full night, just cut off the feeding time, but if you want to sleep the full night, just use the diapers, because if the baby is wet, he would feel cold and he would be prone to disease. So make sure you would have them wear these diapers. I'm using Coco Pants. This is suitable for my baby. You can choose diapers according to your baby. Third thing is lotion, baby lotion for the baby. This is the must have, because in winter season our skin also become dry and our baby are very small, very small. Their skin are very sensitive. Their skin is so sensitive that we should have to take extra care of baby skin. So here I'm using is Mother Care baby lotion. Focus camera, yes. So I'm using Mother Care baby lotion, and it is super soft, non-greasy to my baby, and this makes my baby skin super silky, super smooth. I'm just loving it. So fourth one is baby oil. Here I'm using Dabur baby oil. It contains olive oil and almond oil. So I use this in the evening, means in the night time I massage my baby with this oil, and in the morning time I massage my baby with this oil. It when you massage your baby, it not only strengthens their muscles but it also relaxes them. So try this, and these are the products I'm using, so go ahead and try this. Fifth, last but not the least one is food. Yes, your baby needs very nutrient and very a food which give him or her fully nutrients, so that he or she would not be prone to any disease. His or her immunity would boost up by the food. So give him very good food. Leafy vegetables are very in winter, so give him or her leafy vegetables like palak, spinach, cucumber, and you can also ghia, and carrots, and what do you say, beetroots. There are many amla, that is very good for your baby. So give him or her to these things, because you are the mother and you don't want your baby to be in the disease. So just try to follow these steps, and I'm sure you would be super happy mom. Guys, one more thing, I'm not any professional, I'm just a mother. So by my experience, I'm sharing my views with you. So it's upon you whether if you adopt it or not. It's upon you. You're also a mother. So like, share, subscribe my channel, Palak Vlogs. Okay, so we'll meet next time very soon. Bye. Take care, mom.